guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to share with you my outside 4th of July decorations. So let's take a look around. Okay guys, here we are in front of the house. And as you can see, I've got my gazebo all decked out. I've hung flags, one from each side. And for summertime, I've also did a new door basket on the door. Now when you're hanging flags, guys, there is a right and a wrong way to hang them. The stars should go on the left when you're hanging them straight down. And I hung these first from the inside and thought I had them right, and then came outside and realized I had hung them all backwards. So I had to take them down and rehang them. And here for summertime, I did a door basket. It's in a white basket that has sort of a lattice work design. And I've used colors of blue, yellow, chartreuse, purple, and red. And if you don't have a gazebo, you can always hang flags from the porch in the straight manner like I did here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.